Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing how to draw a Porg from Star Wars The Last Jedi. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to get started on the left side with a circle. Starting from the top, we'll work our way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the eye, on the top left of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for a highlight. So we're going to push this up against the side. Starting on the left side here, we're just going to circle around and then back out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw a slightly smaller circle on the inside, going in behind the highlight. So let's start on the left side, just below the highlight here. Leave an even space trim all the way around. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to move down in the center here and draw the nostrils. So on the left side, I'm just going to draw a curve coming down and then in. Leave a small gap in the center, and curve out towards the right. And then just above the nostril, I'm going to draw a curve from left to right, just for the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw on the edge of the mouth. So we're going to draw a curve from left to right, starting on the left side here. We're going to go up in towards the middle, and then back down on the right side. Now we're going to draw on the lower lip. On the left side, we're going to draw a curve going across and then down. We're going to fill that area in black. Now just below the mouth, I'm going to draw a little curve going the opposite direction for the lower lip. Now just to the side of the mouth, I want to draw a little bit of fur texture on the side. So on the left side here, I'm going to draw a curve going up and out. We're going to step over and draw that again. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving up and out on both sides. Now let's add a little bit more fur texture along the top in between the eyes. So on the left side here, I'm going to curve down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Now in between, I'm going to draw a couple more curves, going in and then one in the middle. Now directly below the eyes, I'm going to draw another curve. Starting at the bottom on the left, we're going to curve down and out on both sides. Now before I draw on the top of the head, I'm going to draw in the body. So we're going to move out towards the left. We're going to draw a large oval coming down towards the lower part of the belly. So out here, we're going to start by curving out. Pull that down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to make my way back up on the right side to the same height as I have on the left. Now from here, I want to leave a gap for the wings, so we're going to draw on the top of the head. Starting on the left side, lined up at the bottom edge of the eye, we're going to curve up towards the top. Now I'm going to make my way back down towards the right side to the same height. Now from the bottom of this line, I want to curve out in the opposite direction and then down towards the tip of the wing. So from here, we're going to start by going down and out towards the left. Now I'm going to curve around and then down. Now from here, I'm going to curve and taper this wing in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by curving down and out, and then we'll pull it downwards to the same height as we have on the left. Now we're going to curve that back in behind the body. Now we're going to move down and draw on the legs. So on either side of the center, I'm going to start on the left side, curve down, and then pull that in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's curve the bottom of the feet. From the left side, I'm going to curve up and then down towards the first claw. Now from here, I'm going to taper it up and over. Now let's stack two more claws on the side. From this tip, I'm going to step up, do another curve coming down. Now this point is going to go up and then in behind the front claw. We'll do that one more time. Stepping up, curving across, up, and then in behind. Now in between the second and first toe, I'm going to curve in and then up underneath the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving over and then down towards the first claw. Now from here I'm going to taper it up and then in. From the tip, we're going to step up, curve across again, go up, and then in behind the first claw. We'll do that one more time. Now in between these two toes, we're going to curve up and then in underneath the body. Now let's separate out the claws. On the front toe, we're just going to draw a curve coming across. We'll separate the second and then the third. Let's do the same thing on the right. So halfway along this toe, we're going to curve around, the second toe, and then the third toe. Now I want to add a few ridges along the outside edge of the leg. Starting from the outside of the leg, we're going to draw a short straight line going across. We'll do this a few times going up the side of the leg. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now from the tip of the wing, I just want to draw a curve going up and then in behind the body just to accentuate the underside of the wing. Starting here, we're just going to go up. Now we're going to pull that in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up and then in behind the body, and that's pretty much it. There's our Porg from Star Wars The Last Jedi. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.